Good morning, student. In last lecture, we start the second lesson, motion of the earth. Motion of the earth. In that, we see about the rotation, then day and night, about the year, then what is mean by the leap year. Today, we are going to learn the more concept come in this lesson. See here, you know that the length of day and night is not equal. This happens because of the earth inclined axis and its revolution around the sun. See, in our region also we see in summer days the day is long and the night is short, and during the winter season the day is short and night is long. Correct? See here, why this happen? In the due to the earth incline axis. See, in the northern hemisphere between 22 March and 23 September, the days are longer than the night. Therefore, it is a warmer there. That is, it is a summer in the northern hemisphere. In our region also, means from March to September. This one the summer days. In the northern hemisphere, however, during this same period in the southern hemisphere, the night are longer than the days. Correct? In southern hemisphere, what happen? The nights are longer than days. The earth get less heat in this part and therefore it is a winter in southern hemisphere. In a period from 23 September to 22 March, in the period of 23 September to 22 March, the days are longer, the night in the southern hemisphere. But in southern hemisphere, what is the condition? In September to the March, the day is long and night is short. It get more heat and it is a summer there. In this period, in the northern hemisphere, it is the night that are longer. But opposite thing this one happen in a northern hemisphere. During this period, means 23 September to 22 March, in the northern hemisphere, day is short and night is long. The northern hemisphere get less heat and it is a winter there. Okay, means this one the R region. We are living in the northern hemisphere. From 23 September to 22 March, in our side, winter season is there. See, note that there may be difference in this date due to leap year. In India, summer, the rainy season and the winter are considered to be the main seasons. We also divide the year into 6 seasons, namely Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. This one the 6 seasons are there. Which one? Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant and Shishir. Now see the next point. This cycle of 6 seasons is called the Rutu Chakra. Many of our festivals are connected with the season. Many of our songs and games are also related to the different season. Okay. Now see the next point. This is the phases of the moon. Now see phases of the moon. In that one we see the full moon and the new moon day. See the full moon and the new moon day. What is mean by the full moon day? Means when we see full moon in the sky. Full moon in the sky. It is said to be the full moon day. It is said to be the full moon day. And when we can't see moon in the sky, it is said to be the new moon day. It is said to be the new moon day. Why this happens? See, the moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. However, these two orbits intersect, hence the sun, the moon and the earth are not always along a straight line. Okay. But here important point, what is mean by the full moon day and what is mean by the new moon day. Full moon day means what? When we see full moon in the sky, it is the full moon day, and when we can't see moon in the sky, it is the new moon day. See, from the full moon to the new moon, the illuminated part of the moon seen from the earth becomes smaller and smaller. See, when we see the full moon in the sky, from the next day we see this one moon become small, correct now? And at a one night we can't see moon in the sky. It is the new moon day, and from new moon day to full moon day we see this one, the moon means this one grows bigger and bigger. All of you understood? And these different shape of the moon that we see are called phases of the moon. Means different shapes of the moon that we see are called the phases of the moon. See what is mean by the full moon day? When we see full moon in the sky, it is said to be the full moon day. When we can't see moon in the sky, it is said to be the new moon day. And which one the different shapes of the moon we see, it is said to be the phases of the moon. All of you understood? Then today you have to read this one lesson carefully, and which one the remaining part is there, this one we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.